Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to cover how to make a reservation in English. Whether you're booking a table at a restaurant or reserving a hotel room, knowing the right phrases can make the process quick and easy. Let's go over the key vocabulary and phrases to help you confidently make a reservation in English. Let's get started. When you call to make a reservation, start with a polite greeting and explain what you want to book. Here are some common phrases to start with. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation, please. Good morning/afternoon. I'd like to book a table for two. Hi, I'd like to reserve a room for next Friday. These simple phrases let the staff know you want to make a reservation and are polite ways to begin the conversation. Next, you'll need to provide specific details about your reservation, such as the date, time, and number of people. Use these phrases to share that information. I'd like a table for 4 at 7 p.m., please. I'd like to reserve a room for 2 nights, from July 5th to July 7th. Can I book a table for 2 for tomorrow evening? Make sure to mention any special requests, such as dietary preferences or room preferences, if necessary. After providing the details, it's important to confirm everything. The staff will usually repeat your reservation back to you, and you can confirm like this. Yes, that's correct. Yes, I'd like a table for 7 p.m. Thank you, that's perfect. You can also double-check any special requests or confirm the location or time of your reservation. If you need more information or have questions, use these phrases. Is there a parking area? Do you offer vegetarian options? Can I get a room with a view? These questions help ensure you have all the details you need for your reservation, whether it's at a restaurant or hotel. To finish the call, thank the staff and say goodbye politely. Use these phrases to close the conversation. Thank you very much. See you on Friday. Thanks for your help. I'll be there at 7 p.m. Thank you. Looking forward to it. Being polite when ending the conversation leaves a good impression and shows that you're ready for your reservation. Quick review. How to make a reservation in English. Start with a polite greeting. I'd like to make a reservation, please. Provide details about your reservation. I'd like a table for 2 at 7 p.m. Confirm the details. Yes, that's correct. Ask any necessary questions. Do you offer vegetarian options? End with a polite closing. Thank you very much. See you then. With these simple steps, you'll be able to make a reservation in English quickly and confidently. Whether you're booking a table or a room, knowing the right phrases makes the process smoother and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!